cheap pen review. That what this is. If you want to know about a whole bunch of pens you can get for $20, hang around to find out. And how they create the cheapest pens for newbies. You can go online and get 4 or 5 of these for $20, and they are not the best in quality. That's why I bought a pack, because most likely half of these will not work, or they will stop working after 3 or 4 times because there's some type of issue with drying out. I got metal because I got a batch of these before, and most of them were plastic, and the ones that were metal worked and they lasted. So that's why I say half of these may not work. I wanted to modify this one with G-nibs, Z-Word G-nibs, but the fee that they recommend is 6 fountain pen revolution with flex nib. It's like $20 for the feed and the nib. The feed is round, but if you look at this, you'll see it's octagon. Issue with most of these pens is throw. This means it's probably the cheap feed. It has a thin line that goes down. That's where the ink travels to the nib. When you have problems with throw, with ebonite feeds, they have a tool you can use. You can sand it out to make it bigger, but these are cheap plastic. So snap. Gotta fix that focus. Yeah, I'm not. See the ink. Wipe. This is why I always have a messy towel. Oh goody, my finger got. Yes, it's a success. All these are medium. I say this is good. Wow. This is fixed nib, not flex. So hit. Wow, I did not think this pen would be working so well. I thought this would be more dramatic. Wow. I give them a C rating, just for basic writing, like writing on checks, books, writing books, and making notes. Yeah, these are good enough for newbies. And if it stops working, you got 4 others you can use. I am so surprised that this went so good. I thought I would have a bad video. A pen's not working. Oh my goodness. It posted well. Average feed for fixing a pen. So this is perfect pen for the next step. People who want to learn about converters and getting a better pen. This is the test pen to help you learn about it. I guess I would call it the stepping stone